Hi, this is Sofia from Arengu, and today I will show you how to use our Live Preview screen. Live Preview is a tool that allows you to visually test forms and flows. Forms may seem simple, but with this feature you can understand the complexity behind them. It will help you to solve errors and to see that everything is working as it should. Let's begin. Once you have opened the form that you want to test, you just click the Preview button in order to access the Live Preview screen. At the left side, you will find the form steps that the final user will see, and you are able to interact with them. At the right side, you will see the behind the scenes. All the internal events and flow actions are displayed. Rendered steps, user interactions, flows, and the form submission. At the top right of the page, you will find several buttons, one that takes you to the embedded screen, and one to refresh the live preview in case you change something in the forms. Let's run an example that has some errors in order to see how to interact with them. We will use the template Data Autocomplete with Airtable. Once you set up your forms and flows, let's test it. We fill the email address and an error message appears. At the right side, you can see exactly between all the actions which are failing. In this case, it is the Send MailJet email action. You are able to inspect the execution and find the error in order to solve it. Don't forget to refresh the live preview each time you change something on the editor. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to contact us. In our website, you can find lots of tutorial templates and documentation that will help you. Thanks for listening.